Hey everybody, we're back at it again with the white vans or the black vans, or whatever vans that you own, maybe the checkered colored vans. Today we're checking out the iPhone SE 2020 with the DJI Mavic Mini. This is the first edition. Before we get started, please, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing, for we give out magic unicorn fairy tales. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. Now let's get into the video. We have the iPhone SE already here, but if you consider buying it, this is what you get from Metro. You get a bag, you get the receipt in the bag, get some crap in the bag, and then you have the actual phone. The phone's not in here because it's... Here's what the phone looks like. See it? It's black. It's nice. It's an iPhone. Here's what you get inside the box. You get a box. You get your SIM card. You get, hopefully, some Apple stickers. Might as well. Come on, Apple stickers. Yes, you get Apple stickers. 2 big Apple stickers. You can pick this phone up in Metro for, I don't know, $200. I got mine for $180 because I went around and I begged. And you get some AirPods right here. These are corded. You get the charger itself. Kind of sturdy. And then you get the power plug, which I never knew this came with a power plug. This is my second iPhone this year. I'm sure it's probably 11 watt, something slow. Alright, so enough of that. Let's take the drone up and see how it performs with the iPhone SE. Oh yeah, we have the giveaway at the end of the video. Alright, that unboxing kind of sucked, so let's just revisit. This is not how the box comes, but here's the Apple stickers. Again, if you missed it, white Apple stickers. What's nice about the iPhone SE is you can use the same stuff as the iPhone 6s on the iPhone SE. So I picked this up at the dollar store for $1. It's a screen protector for the iPhone 6s, but it will fit on the iPhone SE. You get some more Halloween candy, and that's a joke. Rest in peace, Halloween. You get the earpods right here. They're corded. You get the cord, alright, there. So now that we got that out the way for the 10th fucking time. Why did I decide to do this video and drink all this caffeine and then bring the kids out to the park? Or don't fucking listen. Story of my life. Alright, now let's take the drone up and see what the drone can do. Pardon my enthusiasm. I'm curbing it today. Oh God, I don't want to do this whole video. Please subscribe! Hurry up. How are you gonna... How are you... How? How are you... What the hell? What the...
2, 1.
That's good.
Raya, I don't know.
My fucking gimbal? Bro, are you fucking kidding me, bro? That's it. I'm just rolling with everything now. I'm just rolling with everything. The video's already gone.
No!
The video's already fucking gone. Full fucking into it. Look at my gimbal. My gimbal's all fucked up.
Raya.
My gimbal's like, I want to work. Let's whip it around. This is the cachet, of course. I'm not even on camera. I have no idea. My camera's gonna overheat. Fuck it. Alright, let's just do this stupid thing.
You need to be a good boy, okay? You need to be a good boy.
See what he looks. I should try, so it's
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's leaving me. It's leaving me. It's fucking. Oh, this is so scary. This is so scary. Okay, what just happened? What the hell? Look, it's coming from my camera. Oh my god, this is not scary at all. What's the point of this video anymore? Believe it or not, this is my first time actually trying these out.
3, 2, 1.
I don't know what the point of this video is anymore. Let's see if you can see some telephone wires. This phone. The reason why I bought this phone is so I can see the telephone wires.
Raya, I said no!
Where's it? I don't know, I can see the telephone wires. Alright you guys, this was a really piss poor video. Sorry for my attitude. It's windy. Sorry for the wind. Sounds like Africanized bees. Alright, you guys, that's it. We love you guys. I'm sorry. I tried. I really planned my whole freaking Sunday to be here to shoot this video. And it was the best video I've actually shot, actually. Let's just move it around. Let's see if we can make a bowl. Oh, I cannot see. Note to self, kids, if you ever buy one of these and you crash it, probably not going to work the same. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, and it's windy. So
Maximum flight altitude reached.
What? What? What, Raya?
Maximum flight distance reached.
I know the waffles have a song. And they play those.